Hello, all of you. My name is Dr. Neha Hamilton, and today we are going to cover this topic called SEO process. So, we are going to understand the process or the specific steps which are involved in search engine optimization process. This is what we are going to understand in today's class. So, today's lecture agenda is to make you understand then how to go for SEO audit. I mean, what is the exact process through which we go for SEO audit? We check our website performance and we check the competitors' website performance as well. In the past classes, we have studied Google Trends. Google Trends is an online platform which is designed by Google, which helps us to understand that how to find the most trending keyword. I have given you demonstration twice on how to use Google Trends. So I'm not going to repeat it again because I hope you are clear with the concept of Google Trends, how to open it, how to use it. It's a very simple online platform. You just have to type www.trends.google.com. You have to create your profile and you can start searching for the keywords that you are looking for. And you can search keywords on any country, any geographical location, and also you can search for keywords which are most trending, right? People are searching for what keywords, what exact keywords. That also you can search in Google Trends. You can search related keywords. Also, related keywords means, for example, you are a blogger and you write blogs on beauty and skincare, right? If you are writing on these, so you can find out the most trending keywords the people are searching for. For example, the most trending keywords that Google Trends tell you is that skincare in monsoon, because monsoon is coming nowadays, cosmetic products used in high humid weather. So these can be like the most trending keywords that you can find on Google Trends, right? So let's move on and let's understand. We have understood SEO, so I'm not repeating it. So this is how the process of SEO looks like. This is the first step, which is called as keyword research. This is something that we have already covered and completed. Okay, so in keyword research we have seen a lot of things. For example, how to find out the most trending keyword, point number one. Point number two is we have also discovered how to compare two or three keywords, right? Comparison means comparison on the basis of total number of clicks that a particular keyword is getting, right? For example, one keyword is white shirt, another keyword is cheapest white shirt, and the third keyword is best quality white shirt. So we have three different keywords. If you want to compare these keywords on Google Trends, you can easily do that. And you can find out that what is that thing that people are searching for. Whether people are interested in cheapest white shirt, whether people are interested in good quality white shirt, or they are only searching for white shirt, right? So whatever people are searching for, we have to make the web content such that it should be relevant to the users. So that's why finding the keyword is very important. Okay, now today we are going to understand. I will share this slide with you, and in this slide this is the URL of Google Trends, and this is a small tutorial of Google Trends that you have seen. This is how it is visible on Google Trends. You can compare the bar graphs and you can compare the charts also. And for example, here the comparison of Papa John's, Domino's Pizza, and Pizza Hut is given. So you can easily compare that which of the brand is highly performing. For example, the red color represents Domino's Pizza. So here you can see that Domino's Pizza is, you know, it is trending and it is getting more number of clicks as compared to Pizza Hut or Papa John's, right? So this is how you see and find out trends in Google Trends. Now today we are going to start with competition analysis, right? So can anybody tell me why competition analysis is important? Why do we go for competition analysis? Why it is important? Yes, Nakul.
Ma'am, computer analysis is necessary because it helps in analyzing what our competitor has its main strength on, what its weaknesses are, how he can, what are its opportunity and what are its. As we do the computer analysis by using the weakness, we can empower we can strengthen our, we can gain more strength so that a more potential audience or customer can be gained through that weakness. As for the threats may be used in a such a way that maybe those threats can be turned into our power and our opportunity, while those are for the threats to other companies.
Very good, Nakul. So I think he has explained everything that I was going to explain. Very good. So the competitors are very important. Why competitors are very important? Because this is era of competition. You know, in whatever field you enter, you ought to have a lot of competitors. Now, if you are competing with somebody, you should know that who that somebody is, what is the USP of that somebody, what are the strengths of that somebody, what is the weakness of that somebody, right? Unless and until you don't know the good points, the bad points, the weak points, the stronger points of your competitor, how you are going to strategize your digital marketing, how you are going to fight with your competitor, right? So that's why competition analysis is important. Okay, it is very important to know that, for example, if you're a blogging platform, then what other blogging platforms are available online, and if they are getting more traffic, why they are getting more traffic, what is their digital marketing budget, what are the keywords that they are betting on, right? These all things you need to understand when you go for competition analysis, right? So identify who are your competitors by doing competition analysis. So you go to Google Analytics and you find out the companies which are getting a lot number of, not on Google Analytics, you go on Google Trends that we have already studied and covered in class. So you go on Google Trends and you find out that who are the competitors who are getting maximum number of clicks. For example, in the last slide I have shown you Papa John's, Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza. So if Papa John's marketing people are searching, then they'll come to know that their direct competitors are Domino's Pizza and Pizza John's. So they have to compete with them. So they have to understand what are their strengths, how they are topping the charts, right? So accordingly, we can also make counter strategies. So you can do competition analysis using various SEO software and competition analysis tools. Okay, so we are going to understand how to do competition analysis, and the software that I am going to teach you is called as SpyFu. The spelling of that is SPYFU, SpyFu. Okay, so you do not have to get confused between the different online platforms that I'm discussing. When it comes to keyword research, it is which software? It is Google Trends. Okay, when it comes to keyword search, we always go to Google Trends. Okay, whenever it comes to competition analysis, what is the software that we are using? I am teaching you SpyFu. Now you have to remember that some part of SpyFu is paid part. So we will not be able to see the full features. But once you are a SEO analyst who work as a digital marketer, the company provides you a paid membership of all these software so you can easily work on them. So because I'm not using the paid part, I will only be able to show you limited functions of this website. I hope you are understanding my point. So I'm stopping the slide share right now and I am going to share the SpyFu page. Okay, so I hope this website is visible to you. As I have told you, the URL is very simple. It is spyfu, spyfu.com. That's it, right? Once you come on, you log in to this website. It is not necessary to sign up because once you sign up, he will ask you your credit card details and all those things. So no need to sign up first of all, right? You can find out a lot of information without signing up on this particular website. Now, I am going to teach you how to do competition research on this website, which is called as Spyfo. So, my first question is this page visible to you? Is
Yes,
this
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
page okay? Okay. So, I am giving you an example. For example, the name of my website is purple.com, which is an online beauty and cosmetic e-commerce website, right? What is my name? My name of the website is purple.com. Now I have a direct competitor which is Nykaa.com, right? My direct competitor is Nykaa.com. Now what I have done, I have done nothing. I have just typed the URL www.nykaa.com on this website and I have clicked on search. Once I have clicked on this, I get a lot of information of Nykaa.com, right? So what are the information that I'm getting? Let us start with organic keywords. So we know what is organic ranking, and in organic ranking, if you will see carefully, SEO is also written. SEO means search engine optimization, right? So there are total these many organic keywords that Nykaa is betting on, right? How many keywords? 4,24,402 keywords. These are the total number of keywords that Nykaa is doing search engine optimization for their pages. The keywords can be makeup products, beauty products, cosmetics, sunscreen, shampoo, maybe a professional shampoo, mascara, eyebrow liner. It can be anything, right? So there are total 4,26,402 keywords that Nykaa is betting on or working for the keywords for its particular website. So if I am purple.com, I need to understand कि अगर Nykaa 4,26,000 keywords पे bet कर रहा है, तो मैं एटलीस्ट 4 लाख keywords पे तो करूँ, तब मैं उससे कंपटीशन में आ सकती हूँ. ठीक है. अब आगे देखिए, estimated monthly SEO clicks. Now I have already told you that a search engine result page or a Google SERP, right? Once you type a keyword and then you do enter, you get a page. That page has two parts. The first part is called as paid ranking and the second part is called as organic ranking. So organic ranking is related to search engine optimization and paid ranking is related to search engine marketing, right? So here you can see estimated. I am just trying to, right? Uh, where it has gone, yes. So these are the estimated, sorry, monthly SEO clicks. That means through SEO, Nykaa is getting this much click, right? 1,95,654 क्लिक्स. मतलब एक महीने में नायका वेबसाइट पे जो क्लिक्स आते हैं उसमें से एसईओ के द्वारा जो क्लिक्स आते हैं वो कितने हैं? 1,91,000 के बराबर आते हैं. एस्टिमेटेड मंथली एसईओ क्लिक चेंज 21,420. मतलब ये जो फिगर है इसमें 21,000 और भी ज्यादा हो सकते हैं, राइट? अब हम ये ग्राफ देखते हैं. लेट अस सी दिस ग्राफ, right? So this is a graph which is given of August 2013. So this is a very old data because I'm not using the paid version, so I'm not getting the recent data, right? But once you subscribe to this website, once you give some amount of their monthly charges, you will be able to see the recent data also, right? This is just to teach you. This is just for educational purpose. So here you are seeing that Nykaa is getting total 99% of organic traffic. मतलब अगर 100 लोग उस वेबसाइट पे एक दिन में विजिट करते हैं तो 100 में से 99%, 99 जो लोग हैं वो एसईओ के द्वारा ही वहां पे विजिट करते हैं. सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में ऑर्गेनिक रैंकिंग के द्वारा ही उस वेबसाइट पे एंटर करते हैं, राइट? So you can see July data, August, September, October, full data you can see. And you can also see that the peak is somewhere in June. If you can see my cursor, you will be able to see that in this graph, the peak is somewhere in the June, right? This is paid part, this is organic part. If you will see carefully, organic को हमने green color से कोड कर रखा है और paid को हमने ब्लू कलर से कोड कर रखा है, ठीक है? तो अभी आप ऑर्गेनिक रिजल्ट देखेंगे तो देखिए ऑर्गेनिक और पेड में कितना डिफरेंस है. सो नायका इज लिटरली doing search engine optimization and not going for paid advertisement. Okay, so here you can see that 99% of the traffic that Nykaa website is receiving is because of the organic ranking. And here you can see that in month of June, right, Nykaa received a maximum traffic of more than 200,000 people. एक महीने में 200,000 से ज्यादा लोग इस वेबसाइट पे आए हैं. कब आए हैं? जून के महीने में, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू रीड द ग्राफ. ओके, now let's come to paid search, which is also called as pay per click advertising. When you see this pay per click advertising, you will see that Nykaa is only using 34 paid keywords. देखिए इस फिगर में और इस फिगर में कितना डिफरेंस है. यहाँ पे they on in organic ranking, in search engine optimization ranking, Nykaa is investing for more than 4,26,000 keywords. और यहाँ पे देखिए it is only 34 paid keywords. That means Nykaa is totally working on search engine optimization, not on paid ranking. Estimated monthly pay per click clicks, मतलब पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग से उसके पास कितना ट्रैफिक आता है? ओनली 33 आउट ऑफ 100. और यहाँ पे हम देखें तो कितना आता है? एसईओ से उसको कितना क्लिक आता है? 1,95,000 क्लिक्स मिलता है. Then we are going to understand estimated monthly Google ad budget, right? So I have told you that there are two things: organic ranking and paid ranking. The only way through which you can rank high on Google is either you rank high on organic ranking or you go for paid advertising. Abhi paid advertising is done by Google AdWords, right? Which is also called as pay per click advertising. Now, in this pay per click advertising, it depends on the total number of clicks. More the number of clicks, more is the budget of a company that a company is going to give to Google, right? So इसका बजट देखिए कितना छोटा सा है. Only $26, $26.68 is the Google budget that they have made. Okay. Now keyword gainers and keyword losers. The second thing that we have to understand is keyword gainers and keyword users. So here you can see, because this is green coded, green में क्या है? हमारा organic ranking है. यहाँ ऊपर देखिए green is organic, right? Let's come down. I hope दिख रहा है. Okay. So in keyword gainers and keyword losers, you can see that from 72,144 keywords, Nykaa is able to improve the ranking, right? On 72,144 are the keywords in which Nykaa has improved the ranking, right? Newly ranked keywords means new keywords that Nykaa has added in search engine optimization is 3,07,860. Lost ranks means there are some keywords in which other websites are doing very good and they are topping the chart. वो क्या है? 40,793. Now, Google ad recommendations, for example, if you type, best shampoo or whatever you type on Google. For example, you want to take a new shampoo, so you are writing best shampoo, right? And you do enter. So whatever by recommendations Google show you is a part of paid advertising, right? So Google is showing us that for 34 keywords, Nykaa has actually bidding for PPC। ये देखिए 34 यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है paid keywords, and 34 is here also paid keywords, right? Now we have to understand the competition. So these are the name of the competitors, right? What are we doing? First of all, we are doing competitors analysis. That means we are doing the analysis of the website of the competitor, because accordingly we want to strategize our digital marketing strategy so that we can fight with that competitor, or we can get the total number of clicks higher as compared to the competitor. तो अभी देखिए यहाँ पे ये सब क्या है, ये सब है उसके कॉम्पिटिटर्स। सो नायका के कॉम्पिटिटर्स सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा है? पर्पल.com, then stylecraze.com, then nykamen.com, then makeup and beauty.com, then bebeautiful.com. Once you will click on all competitors, you will get a detailed analysis of all the competitors, right? Because I have clicked on that, so you are going to find out. So we just have to wait for a second. Right. So these are the total number of competitors of Nykaa, right? As you can see, they are color coded. Wherever I will put my cursor, I will see the comparison of Nykaa and other competitors, right? And what are they actually? These are actually the SEO keywords. Okay, this graph is related to SEO keywords. So इधर देखिए मई 2021 का डेटा है. Here, if you can see, Nykaa is topping the charts, right? Stylecraze.com and purple.com, nykamen.com, makeupandbeauty.com, उनके भी आपको फिगर्स दिखाई देंगे. यहाँ से if you want to compare for the past 2 years, you can do that. If you want to compare the SEO keywords of past 3 years, you can do that. And you can compare for all the data they have from these graphs, right? Let's go back. Right? Next is competitor shared keywords, right? टॉप कीवर्ड्स, टॉप कीवर्ड्स मतलब कि ऐसे कौन से कीवर्ड्स हैं जो लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा सर्च करते हैं इंटरनेट पे, राइट? सो ऑर्गेनिक कीवर्ड्स कौन कौन से हैं देखिए. Right now, L'Oreal mascara is topic. So most of the people on Google relating to beauty and cosmetics are searching for a L'Oreal mascara. Then see the rank is ninth. The organic ranking is 9. Then if you see the next thing, the next position is gained by Maybelline. So Maybelline is again a very famous brand, and Maybelline mascara, L'Oreal hair color, Maybelline foundation, like that, right? Now these are the top pages. ये pages top पे आते हैं, ठीक है? Makeup and beauty segment में, right? L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Paradise Mascara, right? Maybelline New York, L'Oreal Hair Color, ये सब, these are the pages that we get that are related to Nykaa.com or all the e-commerce websites, right? So there is a lot of information that you get. So in whenever this class is over and you get this free time, I think you would have to go on this website, and you can explore as many things as possible. All the data you will get of your competitors on this website, right? Everything, whether you want to find out the SEO, whether you want to find out paid ranking, the total number of keywords, the total number of click-through rates, you can easily find out from this website, right? So these are the inbound links or backlinks or hyperlinks that Nykaa is talking about. So these are the clicks that Nykaa get, right? More information, they are telling me to sign up, that I am not doing. Okay. And this is just a overview. If you want to go for SEO search, you can click on the second tab, which is SEO research. In this SEO research, see, you can export the PDF file also. You know, if you are making a strategy for your competitor's website, you just export the PDF of this particular website. You have the data, you have the figures, and now you make the strategy that how you are going to compete with this website. Now, once we are going to SEO overview, here you are going to get detail about the organic keywords. For example, this is the thing that we already know, that in past 1 year, Nika is competing for 4,26,000 organic keywords, right? This is the rank change, sum of rank change, मतलब rank कभी बढ़ता है किसी कीवर्ड में, कभी घटता है, वो सब डिटेल्स आपकी दे रखी हैं. Established monthly SEO clicks. सो मिनिमम नायका को 192,000 क्लिक्स मिनिमम मिलते हैं एक महीने में. ठीक है. एस्टिमेटेड मोबाइल एसईओ क्लिक्स, मोबाइल एसईओ क्लिक्स की वैल्यू जो है वो यहाँ पे दे रखी है, राइट. देन इम्प्रूव्ड रैंक्स, न्यूली रैंक्ड कीवर्ड्स, ये सब मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम है. दिस डायग्राम टेल्स यू शेयर्ड ऑर्गेनिक कीवर्ड्स. Shared organic keywords where we can see that Nykaa.com has this much of keywords unique to Nykaa. 2,29,561 keywords are unique to Nykaa. When I click on purple.com, I can see that 46,878 keywords are unique to Purple, and this many of keywords are unique to stylecraze.com. तो स्टाइल क्रेज भी एक ऐसी वेबसाइट है जो बहुत कोशिश कर रही है एसईओ के द्वारा अपनी ऑर्गेनिक रैंकिंग को इंक्रीज करने में. ठीक है. ये सब मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल कीवर्ड्स दे रखे. सी, इफ यू आर वेबसाइट ऑनलाइन कॉस्मेटिक्स ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट, so you should know that what people are interested in right now. Whatever the people are interested in, you should include those keywords in your website. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें तो सबसे ज्यादा जो लोग हैं वो लॉरियल मस्कारा के अंदर इंटरेस्टेड है. मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल कीवर्ड कौन सा है, नंबर 1 पे कौन सा है, लॉरियल मस्कारा. So you have to make sure that you are adding L'Oreal mascara, a good image of L'Oreal mascara, maybe a good celebrity image, right? And also a good article on L'Oreal mascara. And when you are adding it in the title tag and the meta description, right, of L'Oreal mascara, so that people are coming to that particular website. Then Maybelline mascara, L'Oreal hair color is also famous, and Maybelline foundation is also very famous. Now, newly ranked keywords. Newly ranked keywords means these are the keywords that are trending from past some time. नए नए अभी ये मार्केट में आए हैं. L'Oreal हेयर कलर है, ये सब है. ठीक है. तो ये सब keywords जो हैं, these are newly ranked keywords. Newly they are uh, trending on Google right now. Rank change, you can see, right? What is the rank change? 26% rank is increased. SEO clicks इसके इतने बढ़ गए हैं. Makeup Revolution में भी 415 clicks through SEO have increased. Kama Ayurveda, Maybelline eyeliner, right? So these are the keywords that are trending uh, on Google. ठीक है. So this is the second tab that we have discussed. The first tab was overview about your competitor. The second tab is SEO research. The third tab is related to pay per click research, right? Now, what is this pay per click research? As I have told you that pay per click research is directly related to paid advertising. यहाँ पे you have to pay some money to Google on the basis of total number of clicks that you are receiving from the Google page, है ना. तो यहाँ पे देखिए what are the total paid keywords. The total paid keywords are 34. Estimated monthly pay per click clicks, मतलब एक महीने में सिर्फ 33 क्लिक्स मिलते हैं नायका को पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग से. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने सिर्फ 34 कीवर्ड्स पे ही अपना बिडिंग कर रखी है. ठीक है. तो बिकॉज लॉरियल मस्कारा इज मोस्ट ट्रेंडिंग कीवर्ड, so I am going to search for L'Oreal mascara, right? I am going to share this tab. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, right? So here you can see that L'Oreal mascara. अभी हमने देखा spyfood.com पे that L'Oreal mascara is the keyword that most of the people are searching for. ठीक है, मतलब ये बहुत पसंद है ये चीज लड़कियों को, तो दे आर सर्चिंग फॉर दैट. ठीक है, अभी क्या किया मैंने, दीज आर द कीवर्ड्स दैट आई हैव टाइप्ड इन गूगल. अभी ये जो फर्स्ट लाइन में यू आर सीइंग नो, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज पेड एड्स और पे पर क्लिक एडवर्टाइजिंग. इधर आप देखोगे तो मैक्सिमम नायका ने दे रखी है, सिर्फ उसने 34 कीवर्ड्स पे बिड कर रखी है, उसमें से एक कीवर्ड है लॉरियल मस्कारा. सो नायका ने बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंटली हैज बिडिंग ऑन दोज कीवर्ड्स व्हिच आर एक्चुअली टॉपिंग इन द रैंकिंग. जो लोग ज्यादा सर्च करते हैं उस पे आप पैसा लगाओगे. ठीक है, तो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर link, I will be redirected to which website? Nykaa website. And Nykaa is going to give money to Google on the basis of per click. For example, Nykaa is giving 20 paisa to Google on the basis of one click, right? So if I click on this particular ad, I will be redirected to the Nykaa website, and at the same time, Nykaa is going to give 20 paisa to Google, right? So these are all parts of paid advertising, and this is also a paid advertising. Nykaa is doing paid advertising on L'Oreal Paris waterproof mascara. अभी देखो उसने एक आर्टिकल भी लिखा है. क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि हमने देखा कि सबसे ज्यादा जो ट्रेंडिंग कीवर्ड है वो लॉरियल मस्कारा है, इसीलिए दे हैव रिटन अ आर्टिकल आल्सो ऑन लॉरियल पेरिस. ठीक है, अभी आप देखो, अब यहाँ से क्या स्टार्ट हो जाता है आपका ऑर्गेनिक रैंकिंग. सो हियर www.nykaa.com, लॉरियल पेरिस मस्कारा जो भी है, यहाँ पे दिस इज कमिंग फर्स्ट, then mascara and waterproof mascara is coming second, then by L'Oreal Paris is third. These are all results of ऑर्गेनिक रैंकिंग. अगर आप देखोगे, जो ये लॉरियल पेरिस का जो मस्कारा है वो खुद का जिस कंपनी का मस्कारा है वो सेकंड नंबर पे आ रहा है. ये देखो, L'Oreal Paris USA.com. This is the company which is making it, and they are not able to rank top on SEO. But Nykaa is so intelligent that they have bidding on this keyword. एसीओ से भी लगा रहे हैं और पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग से भी दम लगा रहे हैं कि लोग हमारे वेबसाइट पे किसी तरह से आ जाए. तो पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग में भी सारा नायका दिखेगा आपको. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिक रैंकिंग में भी आपको नायका फर्स्ट दिखेगा, उसके बाद सेकंड रैंकिंग पे इधर लॉरियल पेरिस दिखेगा, उसके बाद अमेजोन.com का एक आर्टिकल आ रहा है. ठीक है, सो दिस फर्स्ट थ्री ऑर्गेनिक रैंकिंग रिजल्ट्स, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दे आर कॉल्ड एज गोल्डन ट्रायंगल. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, इन तीनों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? गोल्डन ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, अभी वन jargon, वन डिफिकल्ट वर्ड दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू इज टाइटल टैग एंड मेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन. वो क्या होता है? ये देखिए, दिस इज टाइटल टैग. Yes, this is title tag. Okay, what is title tag? Title tag means in programming, what are you deciding the title of a particular web page? That is called as title tag. Because Google is somebody who cannot see the page that we see. Google, the crawlers of the Google, they go and check the programming of a particular page. And if in the title page this L'Oreal mascara is written, that means that particular page is related to a user query, right? So if people are searching for L'Oreal mascara, you have to add L'Oreal mascara into the title of a particular web page, so that the Google crawler understands कि भाई इस पेज में L'Oreal mascara के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ तो भी होगा, क्योंकि उसकी हेडिंग में L'Oreal mascara लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, so this is called as title tag. L'Oreal Paris up to 41% off, waterproof and long lasting. ठीक है, अभी now what is meta description? The text that is visible to you on search engine result page beneath the title tag is called as meta description. So this is the meta description. This also matters. This also should have your keyword. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, कहीं ना कहीं भी तो मस्कारा लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा लिखा हुआ है, और जो आपका वेबसाइट प्रोवाइडर है वो चाह रहा है कि बिना वेबसाइट ओपन किए हुए आपको मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन इस मेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया जाए, राइट? In programming you can choose meta description, you can write meta description, or automatically Google picks up the first 3 or 4 sentences of your blog, right? So it is better to write down meta description. Why it is important? Because the reader is going to get a complete picture by reading these 3 lines, right? What are these 3 lines? सबसे बड़ा तो क्या है, इधर डिस्काउंट लिखा हुआ है, देखो 50% off at Nykaa, right? If I am a girl, I want to take this L'Oreal Paris mascara, सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मेरे लिए होगी कि 50% ऑफ. I will directly click on that and I will buy that, right? 100% genuine products means the website owner is showing me that whatever product L'Oreal Paris is showing you is 100% genuine or original products, right? Amazing order and freebies, hot pink sale, इनका कोई सेल चल रहा होगा, right? 30% off on mascara, 20% off on casting cream, जो भी है. So here you get to see that in meta description a lot of information is written. अभी आप लॉरियल पेरिस का देखो मेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन, उसमें वो सब इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, इसीलिए वो सेकंड नंबर पे रैंक कर रहा है. Discover our range of waterproof voluminous mascaras for beautiful eyelashes, create a bold smudge free lash look, राइट? तो इतना कुछ ना प्राइस के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, ना कुछ डिस्काउंट के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? अभी आप अमेजोन का मेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन देखो, इनके टाइटल टैग में भी कीवर्ड यूज हो रहा है लॉरियल मस्कारा, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने प्राइस भी मेंशन कर रखा है, और जो भी डिस्काउंट के दे रहे हैं उस पे वो भी इन लोगों ने मेंशन कर रखा है. So that's why these are the first 3 ranking SEOs, right? Title tag and meta description are very very important, right? So अभी हम इतना सर्च क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हम जानना चाहते हैं कि सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेंडिंग कीवर्ड्स कौन से हैं. उसी हिसाब से हम अपनी वेबसाइट पे उसी हिसाब से हम अपने वेबसाइट के टाइटल टैग और मेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन में टैग्स को ऐड करें, राइट? सो दिस, अभी हम वापस पाइपू वाले वेब पेज पे आ गए हैं. यहाँ पे हमने देखा पे पर क्लिक रिसर्च का ओवरव्यू आपको मिल जाएगा, आपको अपने कॉम्पिटिटर का बजट मिल जाएगा, वो कितने कीवर्ड्स पे वो कर रहा है वो आपको मिल जाएगा. अभी देखते हैं कौन सी कीवर्ड्स पे कर रहा है, ये आपको समझ में आता है कि नहीं आता, ठीक है? सो टिल द टाइम दैट पेज इज uploading, I am going to tell you that they have data of 9 years and 2 months of Nykaa online presence, right? जो जो भी आपको डेटा ये दे रहे हैं पिछले 9 सालों का डेटा ये आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल पेड कीवर्ड्स, उन सब की भी रैंकिंग आ रही है, और गूगल एडवर्ड्स की हिस्ट्री भी आ रही है. तो मैंने क्लिक किया था, सो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द एग्जैक्ट कि वो कौन कौन से कीवर्ड पे बिट कर रहा है. आई होप जब आप साइन इन कर लोगे, यू पे सम मनी, यू साइन अप हियर, यू क्लिक इन हियर, you pay some money, then I think you are going to get the exact keywords on which Nykaa is bidding, right? Then the keywords related to Nykaa that people are searching for is Nykaa.com offer, लोग ऑफर जानना चाहते हैं, डिस्काउंट जानना चाहते हैं, पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स जानना चाहते हैं, मैट लिपस्टिक जानना चाहते हैं. सो ये सब जो कीवर्ड्स है ये पीपल आर सर्चिंग फॉर ऑन Nykaa, right? So this is what the keyword tab is going to tell you. The next tab is related to backlinks, ठीक है? अभी backlinks क्या होते हैं? backlinks होते हैं कि आप अपने पेज, कोई भी एक वेब पेज है उसकी कनेक्टिविटी कैसे बेटर करते हैं, राइट? व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट वेज थ्रू विच यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द डिफरेंट वेब पेजेस ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर ऑन इंटरनेट, राइट? दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज मैंने आपको बताया था द crawlers they go through the hyperlinks. More you are connected to particular web pages, more will be the reach of crawlers. इसीलिए क्या करते हैं, people connect internally their web pages also. If you have created a website that has 1,000 pages, make sure that you connect those 1,000 pages with each other with the help of hyperlinks, right? More you are connected with each other, more you are giving the scope of to Google crawlers to reach out to all of your pages, right? So here we are getting an idea of backlinks means how many backlinks Nika is having is connected to those backlinks and how much traffic they are getting from backlinks. मानो कि a customer is reading an article on Times of India website, and in Times of India website he's seeing a Nika sale is flashing on our site. So if I click on that Nika sale and if I go to that particular Nika page, then that is a backlink, right? For example, I am reading a blog or article related to cosmetics, and वहाँ पे I get a hyperlink that if you want to buy this particular mascara, then this is a hyperlink. If I click on that hyperlink, then you are redirected to that particular website. Okay, so this is called as backlinks. Means through hyperlinks, what is your connectivity on the internet? How you are connected with each other, right? So backlink information are also given. So आप देखो सबसे ज्यादा उसने बैकलिंक जो है ब्लॉग से कर रखी है, बिकॉज हम क्या करते हैं, हम गूगल करते हैं बेस्ट मस्कारा, बेस्ट eyeliner. So if you are writing blogs on best mascara, best eyeliner, and those bloggers are mentioning Nykaa website, then definitely users are going to the Nykaa website, right? So यहाँ पे देखिए, these are the backlinks that through which Nykaa is connected to different websites. अभी देखिए, you cannot see all the data because it is written login to see all results. As I've told you that only limited amount of information will be available to us. This is not uploading, so let's go to tracking. So this is tracking a domain in which you yourself can create a digital marketing strategy. And finally, we have reports, right? You can find out a SEO report, you can find out a pay-per-click report of your website also on this particular website, which is called as Spy, right? So I am stopping the share now, and I have explained you how to go for a competitor's research, right? So I think that's enough for today. I have covered a lot of topics in competitor research, right? There is a small tutorial also on competitor research that I am going to show you in the next class, right? Till now, I am giving you a small assignment that you, whenever you get free time, you have to just explore these two websites that we have covered in class. The first is googletrends.com and the second is spyfo.com, right? You just have to explore these websites and you have to find out more and more applications of these websites. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much for attending.